Hello you guys, in today's video we're going to be creating a simple, very simple look that you can just wear and rock out everywhere. You can go to the store with this, you can go to a night out, you can go to your job, look, whatever it is. It looks very, very glamorous, but at the same time it looks very toned down where like you can take it everywhere because it's not so crazy. I'm not wearing lashes, as you can see. I just have my own natural lashes on, and that makes it a little bit more toned down and wearable, like you could take it everywhere. For today's video I have my dream palette from NATASHA DENONA. I just recently got this from the what was it, like the Sephora sale that was going on, VIB, something like that. And you guys, it is pretty. I love the packaging. Mine is came already stained and dirty, and I just got a little bit more dirty right now when I used it, but that's fine because the actual good stuff is inside the palette, you guys. I will be inserting a clip of like a close-up right here, but I don't know if you could see this better. These colors, you guys, are so pretty. I love all the tones in here. Definitely on my alley. I love purples, and I don't know, these shimmers are really nice. And this one that I'm wearing on today, I don't know if you could see, you guys, it's like a multi-chrome or dual-chrome shadow. It has like a purple and green shift. I don't know if you could see it right here. It looks more green right there, and then it looks purple right there. Green, purple. So stunning, you guys. I love the creaminess of the shadows. Of course, this one right here, I tried today, and it's one of those cream to powder formulas. But this color story, you guys, is right up my alley, and it's so beautiful. I love the gold tones, the burgundies and the purples and all these tones right here. Love how it's separated, kind of like I see like more purpley tones over here, and then more brown tones over here. And actually I do really like it. I don't know, like people being having controversy thoughts over this palette, but let's go ahead and take a look at how I created this look. It was really easy, really simple. I really used 1, 2, 3, 4 shadows only. I used this, what was this, as kind of like a transition base kind of color. Then I used this to deepen things up. I used this in my crease, and I used this as a highlight. And that was all that I did, you guys. And I feel like I did a pretty good job and not making it so crazy and just wearable, you guys. I feel like you could take this anywhere, and I just love it. Without any more rambling, you guys, let's get on with the demo. What do you guys think? Like, I seriously love how it came out to be. This is so pretty, you guys. The shadows blend themselves out. I literally did not have any issues with it. I can't say enough things about Natasha Denona's eyeshadow. It really is one of my favorites. And this is how it came out, you guys. Hopefully you like this video. Short and sweet, simple, and you can take this anywhere. Hopefully it helped you get an idea of looks that you could do with this eyeshadow palette. This was very simple to do. So until the next video, I will see you guys. Bye bye.